8. Ooh, look at these blue ones. Alright. Age cars and trucks. These things are beautiful, aren't they? Look, they even got the Chevy like lights down there on the side. Yeah, I know. They made their trailers and painted them just for the cars and vehicles. Man, they keep these things beautifully. That's orange. That is definitely an orange car.
I think they closed.
Oh, they do? You hear that, Barry?
Pink truck.
Oh, okay.
A canary yellow. No, that's not a canary. Yeah, it is. I said it's canary yellow. There's one for you, Gracie. Here's your pink one. You like your pink one? It's for breast cancer awareness, it looks like. Let's see here. Hope everybody's enjoying these vehicles out here as much as we are. Which one? Oh yeah, I see it. There you go. That's a great place for daddies and daughters to come to and have a little quality time together, huh? Looking at old vintage antique cars in pristine condition. Man, people do a good job with these cars. It's like we're in the back in the 1940s and 50s and 60s, you know, at the car lots. Look at that. This one sparkles. I like that sparkly one. Oh, look at the door handle, Gracie.
Look at that one.
Ooh, look at that one. I do like that one. I like them all, actually. I can't say too much, Gracie. I like them all. Look at that, though. Look at that. I want to get a picture with that here in a little bit, okay?
That one.
Alright, we'll get this block and show everybody this block, and then we'll go, as we come back, we'll get a picture of it before we get the next row down, okay? See, I'm digging on that mail truck over there. With all the cars, I like the mail truck. The mail truck.
Which one's that?
The one that says mail on it, that's right there. You know? Well, I'm being silly. Alright, let's go back here. We'll stop because I want a couple pictures with these. And then we will start back up again and okay. Alright. What Gracie are going to do right now is I'm going to get some pictures with my camera since this is live. So I'm going to take the live feed off so we can get some pictures. There's a couple cars around here I want to get some pictures of. And then we will broadcast live here in just a second, everybody.